Welcome to London, a city full of history, beauty, and surprises. From royal palaces to modern skyscrapers, London has it all. Let's explore the wonders of this amazing city together. London is more than 2,000 years old. It was founded by the Romans and was originally called Londinium. Over the centuries, it became a powerful and important city. London is home to over 9 million people, making it one of the largest cities in Europe. It's a melting pot of cultures, with more than 300 languages spoken. People from all over the world live here, making London one of the most diverse cities on the planet. One of the most famous places is the Tower of London. It was built nearly 1,000 years ago and was once a prison. Some people say it is haunted. The tower has seen executions, betrayals, and even held famous prisoners like Anne Boleyn and Guy Fawkes. Today, it houses the crown jewels, which are worth billions. Buckingham Palace is home to the British King. Every day, tourists gather to watch the famous changing of the guard ceremony. The palace has 775 rooms, including 78 bathrooms, and serves as the main residence of the monarchy. Westminster Abbey is where British kings and queens have been crowned for centuries. It is also the final resting place of famous figures like Charles Darwin, Isaac Newton, and Geoffrey Chaucer. No trip to London is complete without visiting Big Ben. This giant clock is a symbol of the city. It stands next to the Houses of Parliament, where important decisions are made. Did you know that Big Ben is actually the nickname for the bell inside the tower? The tower itself is called the Elizabeth Tower. For an amazing view of London, take a ride on the London Eye. This giant will let you see the city from high above. Each capsule can hold up to 25 people, and a full rotation takes about 30 minutes. On a clear day, you can see as far as 40 kilometers. Tower Bridge is a beautiful bridge that can open in the middle to let big ships pass through. It is one of the most photographed places in London. Many people mistakenly call it London Bridge, but London Bridge is actually a different, simpler bridge nearby. London has many hidden secrets. There are secret underground tunnels under the city. During World War II, Prime Minister Winston Churchill used them as a war bunker. Today, visitors can explore them in the Churchill War Rooms. These tunnels played a key role in Britain's victory in the war. A hidden Roman temple lies under the streets of London. This ancient temple was discovered in the 1950s and is now open to visitors. It was built around 240 AD and was dedicated to Mithras, a Roman god. Cecil Court is a small street full of old bookstores, resembling something out of Harry Potter. It is said that J.K. Rowling was inspired by this magical-looking street when creating Diagon Alley. Another secret spot is Little Venice, a peaceful area with canals, charming boats, and cafes. It is a hidden escape from the busy streets of London. London is not just about history. It is also a city full of life. Try the classic fish and chips. It is one of the most famous dishes in London. Another must-try is a full English breakfast, which includes eggs, sausages, bacon, baked beans, and toast. Take a ride on a red double-decker bus. It's a fun way to see the city. Some of these buses have been in service for over 60 years and have become a true London icon. For a great shopping experience, visit Camden Market or Borough Market. These places are full of unique items and delicious food from around the world. Camden Market is famous for its alternative fashion and live music, while Borough Market offers fresh produce and gourmet treats. London is not just a city of history, it is also a modern metropolis. The Shard is the tallest building in the UK, standing at 310 meters. Its observation deck offers breathtaking views of the city. Canary Wharf is London's financial district, filled with skyscrapers and home to many global banks and businesses. Oxford Street is one of the busiest shopping streets in the world, with over 300 shops and millions of visitors each year. London is a city of history, beauty, and surprises. From its royal palaces to its hidden secrets, there is always something new to discover. Whether you love history, shopping, or exploring, London has something for everyone. Have you ever visited London? What is your favorite place? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey through London. I hope you enjoyed discovering the history, beauty, and hidden secrets of this amazing city. If you love this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Uncover Cities for more incredible city explorations. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. See you in the next video.